Hey Arturo, how are you?
Hello, hello. Can you hear me?
Yes. How are you?
Perfect.
A long time.
Yeah, crazy busy with everything. In the middle of releasing 3 years and a half work. So yeah.
Yeah. Let's wait for a few more minutes. I can see there are a lot of people are joining, so let them in and we can start now.
Perfect.
Good to see you, man. Once again.
Just letting you know that I'm not an AI or something.
Okay. So let's start now. So hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Thank you for joining us today's community webinar, XDC Tech Webinar 7.0. Today, we are excited to introduce Prime Number Liquid Staking Platform and its powerful features. In today's session, we will walk you through a live demo of the Liquid Staking Platform to showcase its capabilities. Let us just start with a quick team introduction, and our guest too. So myself, Omkar Mistry, Head of Technology and Engineering at XDC Network. Joining me is Mr. Anil Chinsavle, Head of Protocol Development at XDC Network, and Mr. Suresh Nada, who leads the social media for XDC Network. Also joining us today, Mr. Arturo, who is the co-founder at Prime Numbers. Thank you for joining us today, Arturo.
Thank you so much for the invitation. It's a pleasure to be here. Let's have an amazing call or meeting, whatever
Sure.
you want to say.
Yes. Yeah. So moving forward with the XDC Network presentation, right? So as you all aware that Zinfin was founded in 2016, registered in Singapore with headquarters in Dubai and India. We have launched the XDC network mainnet in the year 2019, and it's live more than 5 years now. We are obviously a EVM compatible layer 1 blockchain network powered by the XDC token, which support the entire XDC ecosystem. XDC network is a hybrid blockchain network which actually combines the public and the private network and making it suitable for both the sectors. It's run on the delegated proof of stake, that is XDPOS system, which allowing the fast transactions, low energy use, and high efficiency. And it will perfect for a trade and finance or any industries. Just on the side note, we have recently upgraded with our XDC network, XDC 2.0, which has a military grade security and advanced forensic monitoring for XDC network. So here are the advantages of the XDC network to use the XDC network. So we have achieved over 2,000 transactions per second with the 2 to 3 seconds of a block time. It also offers a near to zero gas transaction fees. We also offer KYC enabled masternodes to ensure the compliance with the regulatory requirements in any country. We have ready developer tools like Wallet, Explorer, Remix to deploy the smart contract to build it on the XDC network. We also have XDC Innovation Lab, which is based in India. So whoever actually building on the top of the XDC network, we are helping them in terms of technical integration. Here are the few, the network highlights. So around 17,000 plus, smart contracts already deployed on the network with the 3 million active accounts with the 6 million of transactions. We have 108 master nodes who are actually, building a blocks along with the standby nodes, which is 250 plus, who are actually backing up the master node. So if any master node goes down, the standby nodes will, take the master node place, and it will be like a round robin thing. We have almost 2 billion market cap, and the total stake XDC tokens is around 3 billion plus, with 4.5 million total volume. And obviously the maximum daily volume is around $48 million. Yeah. So here are the wallets which actually support the XDC and its ecosystems tokens. Like we have a Gorda, we have a free wallet, we have a Elipal, we have a Trezor, Ledger, Decent, and there are few more. You can find the list on the zinfin.org website. So you can securely store your XDC tokens in one of these wallets. Better to use always better to use the hardware wallet. Here are the few exchanges where the XDC is getting traded, and it's also there are few listed on the native tokens as well. So we can find you can see the Bitfinex, Get.io, KuCoin, Liquid, Bitrue, STX, Bitget. We are listed almost 22 plus exchanges, and list is already available on the. You can find the exchanges list on the CMC, as well as the CoinGecko, and also the list of exchanges are there on the website. So as you know that we have been running with the XDC incubation and the acceleration program, which is dedicated to empowering the Web3 startups and the innovators. As I mentioned that we have also started the XDC Innovation Hub in India. That is just for the technical help to the projects who are actually building on the top of the XDC network. Similarly, we offer the mentorship, funding, and the access to the XDC ecosystem as well. If you have any product and planning to launch your product using the XDC network, you can simply apply through any of our cohort program by just scanning this QR code, which is displaying on the slide, and you're good to go. So we have been running with the Foundership, Tanity, T-Hub, Plug and Play, Launchpool, and there are a few more in the pipeline. And we will be announcing it on the social media channels, all our social media channels. So yes, these are our few of our ecosystem partners, like which includes which give us the power to support the existing ecosystem growth. So we have a Comtech Gold, Storex, Securitize, Trade Tech, Securrency, Stasis, and there are many more. Yeah, you can simply follow us on, Telegram. So XDC Network is there on Telegram. So with the, 5,000 plus members, the Telegram channel is XDC underscore network underscore updates. We also have a GitHub open source code, right? So you can just find the zinfin.org, and you can see all this development happening over the network. You can also find us on the Twitter, right? The XDC underscore network is a channel name, and there we have 120 plus followers. We also have a YouTube channel where you can find all the how-to videos, all the informative videos there. So the channel name is @Zinfin XDC Network. You can also find us on the Medium, and our website is www.zinfin.org. Well, thank you. That's it from my side. Now let's hear more about the Prime numbers and its audited liquid staking platform from the founder. Arturo, over it to you.
Perfect. Can I share the screen?
Yeah, sure. Let me just stop sharing my screen.
Yeah, so I can do better job because having some visuals is better.
Sure. Now you can share your screen. You're good to go.
Yeah, perfect. I have a lot of things prepared here to go through. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I'm Arturo Cantera, founder of Prime Numbers Labs, also core team member here in XDC. And I'm going to do a quick intro about what is Prime Numbers Labs, what we are doing, and also focus on PrimeStaking, that is the liquid staking on XDC. So Prime Numbers Labs, we are a development company that we have PrimeFi, that is a lending and borrowing protocol that is combined with PrimeStaking, that is a derivative staking system. About our story, we started in 2021 when we had the idea about creating a special type of staking where you can stake tokens inside NFTs. And we decided to do all of that on XDC because XDC is our home, basically. So in 2022, we were looking to an NFT marketplace to be able to trade our liquid staking system. And we developed by accident the biggest NFT marketplace on the XDC network. And in 2023, we went omni-chain. We did a partnership with Layer 0 and Stargate, and we decided to go omni-chain with all of our protocols. Some key achievements: we raised more than 2.6 million in total. We have more than 9 XDC masternodes right now. We raised more than 400K in NFT sales. About our partners, XDC, Layer 0, Stargate, Chainlink, this is our partners. So, quick through all the platforms. We have PrimeFi, that is an omni-chain lending and borrowing protocol. It's going to be deployed on XDC. We did big updates on XDC to be able to deploy this protocol. For example, we bring Etherscan to XDC, we bring Layer 0 and Stargate. So now XDC is totally connected with all the different chains. So it allows us to deploy PrimeFi on XDC. But we are going to make focus on PrimeStaking here. Here we have how the company works. We have PrimeFi, PrimePort, that is the NFT market, and PrimeStaking. All of the platforms generate fees and are distributed to the users or with the company. So let's advance fast because we want to talk about PrimeStaking. Sure. So may I jump to PrimeStaking? I suppose, yes, I can do it. So about PrimeStaking. We have a big problem on XDC that they have more than 2.5 billion XDC staked. We can see on chain on the XDC network. Now right now it's around 200 million, right? But if we go to DeFi Llama, they have 20 million TVL. That is really small. So we say, okay, let's go and unlock this liquidity. How we can do that? Okay, let's create a liquid staking. And it's what we are doing right now with the PXXDC, the staked token, in easy words. So when a user goes to the system, brings XDC to the staking contract, And PrimeStaking Labs takes this XDC to host masternodes. And then we distribute the rewards back to the smart contract, and the token goes back to the user. Really easy, really simple. I want to mention that this staking system has been audited, made quick audits, no risk. And about the different product that we have on the liquid staking. We have the normal liquid staking, 6% API. We have XDC NFTs, is like a premium version of the staking. Basically, it's restaking the staked XDC, and you get a better API. And if you have more than 10 million XDC, you can do a masternode holder that basically we tokenize a masternode for you, and you have these tokens liquid. Okay. May I continue to the live demo? Sure. Perfect. All of that is really beautiful, but let's go to an example, right? This is the platform, PrimeStaking. The part that interests you is that part, the XDC staking. So you just need to connect your wallet. Really simple. You see your XDC balance. Just go to XDC liquid staking, and you type whatever you want to stake. Let's say 1,000 XDC. You just need to wait for a second. Here I have a MetaMask screen, but you're not able to see. So just click confirm, and it's just waiting on the blockchain. And that's it. I mean, we can go and see on-chain everything. This is the wallet from staking right now. We see the stake. This is like to show you that everything is happening on-chain, okay? And we see the tokens. Here we can update the balance already. So let's go back to the interface. We see that we have our position already staked. You can add also the token to see on your MetaMask. Just clicking here, and it will add your token to your MetaMask if you want to see. And you can claim rewards from the first second. It's 6% API. So let's go and claim some rewards. It's going to be really small because I'm staking 1,000 and it's 6% API, but you can claim every block if you want. So here we have everything, 6 seconds. Let's see the transaction. And we see that we are already claiming rewards. I mean, really, really small amount. We can see on the interface the rewards story. We see here how our balance is growing on the staking position and the rewards claimed. You see, I claimed on the first second when I did this morning a test, and now you see, but only a few seconds. Great. So how to withdraw the XDC in case you want to withdraw? You go just to withdrawal, because withdrawal, you approve the transaction. And that's it. Now you will see request pending. Every day we go through the withdrawals request and we approve all the withdrawals. Depends on the amount. If you're looking to withdraw 10 million, maybe we don't have sufficient buffer. And it will take maximum 31 days, actually. It's the amount of time that you need to destroy a node. As you see, really easy to stake. Just connect to the wallet, connect to the platform, put the amount of stake, and claim the rewards when you want. That's it. This is the demo. It's really easy. If you want to put a timer, you can do in 15 seconds the staking. I hope you really like it, guys. I see some questions here. About has the contract have been audited? Yes, here you have. I can send to you. Everything has been deeply audited. The best way to stake XDC, I don't know if there are different ways. For sure, the mainnet staking, that is 10 million. You have us, PrimeStaking, and then you have a valid protocol. Why not 30? I mean, I don't know. I don't really like. So I can do the audit with different companies. Yeah, there is a mechanism to post the contract in case of an emergency. The contracts are public, so you can check everything. Okay, so the demo is finished. So I think now we are doing a question and answers, right? Yeah, yeah. You have all the Gits on the documentation and our Medium. So let me share with you. Here you have. Love the questions, guys. Really technical. So, can the staking rewards be manipulated by any external factor of internal actor? No, just the staked amount can change the reward. I mean, and it's 6% always. Okay, always 6% EPI. About your question about the rewards, we have the array staking. I mean, when you stake inside the XDC NFTs, you can get more. For example, when you have an XDC NFT and you lock the staked token inside, you get 7.25 max plus the variable that is the reward that is coming from our other platforms. Everything, you can check on chain. Everything. It's fully audited. You have the contract. You can check all the transactions. Everything is on chain. I mean, we don't have like any rights on the contract. It's a decentralized platform. No, that's why we did an audit. Any comments on Globians and scams? I don't want to comment here. I mean, with Globians, you see the problem of not staking on chain, right? I mean, if you stake on chain, you can track everything. But in the moment that you do on a centralized exchange, you know, not your keys, not your coins. Yes, I will share some Gits here. Yeah, I just said it on the chat. About the admin level functionality, the only one who can calls is the owner of the contract. I love all the technical questions. I should bring my CTO here. Yeah, yeah, we have a multi-synod and everything, guys. I mean, of course, we have intrinsic guards. I mean, as I said, everything has been audited. The smart contract is not upgradable. Front running. What do you want to front run? The rewards? I mean, you are not able to front run anyone. You have your part of the rewards and that's it. This is not a exchange. I mean, you are not able to front run a trade. No, the contract doesn't rely on external oracles or something like this. It's totally independent. As I said, for all these technical questions, you have the audit. You can check it. I will send here. You have the code. You can check everything by yourself.
It's look like we are getting a lot of queries and people are excited to know more about how prime staking works. And I think we're gonna get a lot of traction after this webinar. Hats off to Arturo.
Yeah, I love it. I love most of the technical questions because shows interest, right?
Yep, right.
You know, the mission here is to unlock all of that TVL inside the normal staking that you need 10 million. We have right now almost 80 million XDC staked with us. Let's see before summer what is going to happen. You know, all the big updates with Stargate and Layer 0, I think they are going to bring the liquidity that XDC is looking for. Any more questions? You know, I think the bull market is pretty close, maybe closer than ever. So let's see. We has been suffering since 2023. Actually 2021. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the invitation. Thank you all.
Thank you.